Mistplay is not officially supported on iPhone, and that's the first thing you need to know if an iOS update suddenly broke the app. By the end of this, you'll know whether the issue is an iOS compatibility problem, a broken install, or a network setting blocking the app. Here's the direct answer. If Mistplay stopped working after an iOS update, the fastest fix is to check whether you're using an unofficial version, a browser workaround, or a regional test build. Mistplay is designed for Android, so iOS updates can break side-loaded installs or test versions fast. Start by checking how you installed it. If you installed through TestFlight, open TestFlight and check for an updated build. Developers often push patched versions there after a major iOS update. If you installed it through a third-party app source, uninstall it completely. Then reinstall the latest available version from the same source. Old app files often stop working after iOS changes system permissions. Next, restart your iPhone. This reloads app permissions and background services that may have changed during the update. Now, check your permissions. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security. Look at Tracking, Background App Refresh, and Notifications. If any of those got disabled during the iOS update, Mistplay may fail to sync rewards, track playtime, or send alerts. Turn Background App Refresh back on for Mistplay if it's listed. Then check storage. Go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage. If your phone is nearly full, apps can freeze, fail to save session data, or crash during launch. Free up space and reopen Mistplay. The next fix is network-related. iOS updates sometimes reset VPN or private relay settings. If you use a VPN, turn it off. If iCloud Private Relay is active, disable it temporarily under your Apple ID settings. Mistplay can block connections that look masked or routed through another country. If the app opens but rewards or playtime are missing, log out and log back in. That forces a server sync and refreshes your account data. If none of this works, the problem may be on Misplay's side. That happens after major OS updates when compatibility patches are still rolling out. Quick recap. Check where you installed Mistplay. Update it if it's a TestFlight build, reinstall if it's sideloaded, and re-enable permissions after the iOS update. Turn off VPN or private relay if tracking stops. Your next step is simple. Test one game session after each fix so you know exactly what solved it. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Mistplay fixes.